Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use dictionary and smart lookup on Amazon Kindle 11. First of all, let's open a book. Now, if we hold our finger on a word, we'll get the dictionary result explaining our word. We can also open the Wikipedia tab to find the Wikipedia result on this word. We can also open translate and select the language we want to translate this word to, or we can also use search to look up this word. Besides, you can also select an entire sentence or a paragraph and then tap lookup to look it up on Wikipedia using translate or Google search. And not Google search, but search in this book, or search through all books, or search through all of the Kindle store. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.